Hi my friends, today we model this part, which is not so complicated. It has some news. The name is air compressor bearing and it comes from Timoteo Carrera Soto. This is the part with all dimensions here, and this is the assembly. That part is this one or this one. This is an air compressor with piston, crank, and placed between two bearings, as you can see. Dimensions here are all present, and only this, which must be some threaded holes, are missing, but we placed our dimension. This part is taken from Timoteo Carrera Soto drawings, and you can download it by watching the tutorial number 182. This is my drawing. You can see easily all the situation, I suppose. And here you see two holes used for greasing. We cannot think there is a danger to oil leaking out, because this is a rib and it is placed here conventional without hatches. Yes, if you take a look here, you see the hole is inside the rib. You see here some dimensions which will be used. This is 100, will be used to create the first sketch. 100 is the length of the center line, then contour with all these dimensions. I don't mention them for you. You see here what are they, or what they are. Let's start. Standard millimeters IPT, XY plane, and we draw a line, horizontal line of 100. This is a center line. You know the procedure, I suppose. We draw a horizontal here, up, right, up again. I keep press the left button. I go here, then up, keep pressed left button. I draw a short line, horizontal line. Then outside another line and I go back, trim to this segment, and we place this line aligned with the center line, and also this line with the end of the axis. Dimensions are 66, 88, 120, 220, 120 is here, 120. This is, let me move some lines here. This one, this one. You see, it was not a good idea to forget or to ignore this two radii, which are 10, both 10. In the drawing. Okay, now we continue with this dimension, which is 340, and this with a diameter of 260. Then horizontal dimensions. This is 9. This is 12. This is 34. Look here. This was another radius which must be placed before other dimensions. 12 and 12 means that this point is on this vertical. Other dimension is 34, I said. 34, and this is 18. Oh, 34 is not here, but here. 34. This is 18. And we have a fully constrained sketch. Yes. Finish sketch. Revolve. And the first volume is this one. Very good. Now we create this rib. Yes, one of them. Dimensions are corner here and 9 on the cylinder, on the generator. We use the X-way plane, F7. We project two lines, this small one and this the generator. I draw a line from this point to this generator, I place 9 millimeters this distance and finish. Only one simple line. Then I apply grip, this option. I select the profile, which is this line, not this one, not other lines. Then I apply 16 and clicking on these options, we see here the result. You see, now I apply circular pattern for the last feature about this axis, not 6 but 4. Now we have to place these two holes for greasing. Both are 4 millimeters diameter. This one starts from this point. I can extend the axis for you to see exactly, and this is somewhere along this line. I select mid point of this. You don't see other mention here. Yes, this is another part, number 2. We focus on this line. It has no position horizontal, and I think half of this is very good. Here we have another hole, and I place the first point also in the center of this arc, because I repeat, this is not hollow, this is material. You will see when we create this. Good. I placed here a dimension of 4 millimeters from this point to this line. XY plane, sketch, F7, I project this arc and this line for the first axis. That axis starts from the center to this horizontal. I place here a point at the mid of this line in order to make coincident this line with this point. This will be an axis. Then I use 3-point rectangle to start from here and here and go up. Then I apply dimension between these two, 4 millimeters. Now we have a full constraint sketch, and I make this construction. Why, my friends? Why I hide this? Because they fragments the area we want to use. Finish sketch, revolve. You see, everything is selected already. All I have to do is to apply cut. Yes? This hole oh, this is not good. We have a problem. Houston, we have a problem here. What is the problem? Let me finish this hole. Okay, okay. But I go back to the rib, and not this, but this must be changed with symmetrical. You see? Now it is not symmetrical. This is the axis. So I apply this symmetrical for the rib. Good. Now if we want to see again the hole, we see that it is placed in the center of the rib. Okay, this is the first hole. Once again, XY plane, sketch, F7, project this arc and this line. We draw a line starting from this point and going somewhere. If I project this line, I have an end. Trim the line. Again, I use a point to be placed on this line and on the same vertical with this point. Why? Because I have possibility to place this dimension of 4 millimeters. We make this again as a center line. We make this construction and rectangle from here to here. You can ask me, why is this so long if we have to place a hole from this face to this face? Because we want to be sure that we don't have cut, semi-cut or other situation. Dimension is 4. Again, finish sketch, revolve with cut. You see we have an interruption somewhere, so I have to select this closed area and the axis is already known. Okay, again this is in the middle of this ribbon. There are some holes, 8 of 17 placed on this 300 circle. The first one is this one. The procedure is well known, my friends. F7, line, up, the distance is 300 divided by 2. Finish sketch, hole through, place in this point, diameter of 17, and we have the first one. Then we apply circular pattern to the last feature about this axis, not 6 but 8 instances. Other holes are these ones, 4 or metric 6 at 45 degrees. Let's do this. The face is here. We draw a line from the center to somewhere. You see 47 there, yes? I apply 100 divided by 2. This is the diameter, tab 45. And I have the point for the one hole. Hole, threaded, ISO 6 is the diameter, metric 6, not through but with a distance 12 and 17. Okay, with the conical end, not flat end. Where to be applied this? To this point. Okay, then again circular pattern for the last feature, axis and 4, not 6. Okay, now the part is finished. Let's see what is the volume. Eye properties, physical, update, copy, close, drawing, double click, paste. There is a small difference, not important. You see the 6th rank is the difference. We use the last value because this is what we made today. Okay, material is steel cast, color is red, and we select faces to be machined. That faces are this internal cylinder and this face. What is the aspect? The aspect is still polished. You can place here shaded, and now we can compare the two. You see, they are identical, almost identical. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.